Hi friends, today I'm making a juicy and I thought I would show you what I'm making. This is my meal replacement juicy because it has avocado in it. And the avocado makes you feel so full because of the fats. And when I feel like I need to eat but I don't know what to eat, I usually will put in an avocado. So here's a half an avocado. And then this lemon I picked yesterday. I'm up in San Luis Obispo and there are lemon trees everywhere here and they are so amazing. So I took about a quarter of the lemon and I'm gonna put it in there, and I'm gonna put in half of this cucumber. I have the worst peeler up here. So I'm gonna put that in and throw that in. And then today for my sweetness, I have strawberry and bananas, frozen ones. And so I'm just gonna throw that in and that's it. And that's gonna be my brunch because it's about 10 a.m. And that's it. I'll fill it up with a little bit of water. It's probably too much water, but I put it up to there. I think that's too much, but anyways, that's it. I just thought I would share with you. Okay, enjoy.